The importance and types of body massages. A full body massage accompanied by relaxing and soothing music, soft lighting, and a perfect environment is pure heaven for most of us, and we crave it badly. But even if we are relaxed during a massage, our body goes into full activation mode. This is something most of us are unaware of. A massage stimulates your neurological system, awakens your muscles, organs, and blood and lymph fluid, and causes a slew of cells to manufacture and release chemicals and hormones. A massage helps your body to refresh and rejuvenate itself and get rid of any sort of internal and external stress. Benefits of a massage. Massages are commonly regarded as components of integrative medicine. For a wide range of medical diseases and settings, it's increasingly being offered alongside normal treatments. Here are some advantages of a massage. Boosting relaxation and getting rid of stress are two of the most vital things you can do for yourself. Pain, muscle discomfort, and tension are all reduced. Circulation, vitality, and attentiveness are all improved. Lowering blood pressure and heart rate. Immune system enhancement. While additional research is needed to prove the benefits of a massage, certain studies have discovered that it may help with anxiety, disorders of the digestive system, fibromyalgia, headaches, stress-related insomnia, low backache. Myofascial pain syndrome is a type of myofascial pain. Pain in the nerves, strains or injuries to the soft tissues, sports injuries, temporomandibular joint pain, upper back and neck pain. A lot of people get a massage to enjoy and relax, as it makes one feel relaxed and produces feelings of caring, comfort, and connection. But not to forget, a massage also benefits specific conditions or diseases. Different types of massages. Thai massage. This is one of the oldest massages, dated around 7,000 years ago. It originated from India and was developed by Buddhist monks. This massage aims to relax a person's whole body, and to achieve that, the massage therapist uses special stretching techniques and gentle pressure points. This massage reduces stress levels, increases energy levels, promotes blood circulation, and gives your body better flexibility. Swedish Massage. It is one of the most popular and known massages in the USA. It focuses on superficial muscles which promote the circulation of blood and relaxes the muscles. It is highly recommended to pregnant women, as it helps to address their common pains and work as therapy. This massage helps you to gain a better immune system, gives your body better flexibility, helps you in managing stress, less stress, and helps in rehabilitation. Hot stone massage, spa with massage. This massage is different from other kinds of massage therapy. It aims at relaxing you enough so that it can ease damaged and tensed muscles. This massage helps to decrease cancer symptoms, better immunity, reduce aches, ease muscle spasms and tension, reduce stress, and help you with insomnia. Shiatsu Massage. The literal meaning of this massage in Japanese is finger pressure. But the therapist will also use knees, feet, and thumbs. The therapist will also use some stretching techniques to work out stiff muscles. The benefit of this massage is it helps in reducing stress, self-healing, better blood circulation, better skin, constipation, stress and anxiety, and tissue inflammation. Deep tissue massage. This massage gives intense pressure to deep muscle layers to treat pain. It helps in soothing the pain, and it can be pretty intensive. It helps you break scar tissue down, and is mostly preferred by sportsmen for healing their injuries. This massage helps you with back pain and posture problems. Cupping massage therapy. This massage comes from 3000 BC and is often ridiculed for no scientific reason behind it. It gives short-term relief and improves mobility and blood flow around the body. In this massage, first, the therapist will look for the sore areas in your body and will apply pressure on them via a suction cup. This will build pressure as blood flows to the surface. The pain will depend on the size of the cup, and the cup will remain for a few minutes, and additional movements can also be performed after that. The cup will be removed. It helps in treating short-term pain, deals with muscle tightness, and helps with specific areas. Ayurvedic Massage. This Ayurvedic practice of Abhyanga or oil massage helps 12 release muscle tension, get nourished skin from head to toe, and helps with slim fit drainage. It is different from other massages because it focuses on the skin rather than the muscles. It is like a facial massage for your whole body. The oils used in this massage promote the circulation of blood and stimulate movements. This is pretty popular in India and follows the notion of self-care. It is different from other massages because there is heavy use of essential oils and it focuses on specific energy points. This treatment is more focused on your energy field and freeing your emotional burden than working out with the muscles. Aromatherapy Massage. This massage is quite different from other massage therapies. It is the best massage for lower back pain. It uses essential oil having several fruits, seeds and flowers with healing properties. It helps in relieving stress, refreshes your body, and boosts your energy levels. The benefits of this massage are the body scent, which has a direct effect on your memory, energy level, and endurance. It also helps in fast recovery, reduces stress and anxiety, and eases the symptoms of menopause, and is much more effective than a normal massage. They say Sundays are for self-care, but we at PKMH believe that every day should be for wellness. Try and fit in a massage at least once a week in your busy schedule and make way for a healthier mind, body and soul. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our blog.